Do you know what's worse than a check engine light? Not knowing what the real problem is. But what if there was a scanner powerful enough to diagnose every system in your vehicle, perform dealer-level functions, and still be easy to use? In today's video, I'm reviewing the Autel MaxiPRO MP808S, one of the most popular mid-level professional scan tools on the market. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here and you like automotive tools, diagnostics, and repair tips, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. In this video, we cover features, functions, vehicle coverage, live demo, pros and cons, final verdict. 1. What is the Autel MaxiPRO MP808S? The MP808S is a professional-grade OBD2 diagnostic scanner. It looks like a tablet and runs on the Android operating system. It's designed for mechanics, serious DIYers, and small repair shops who want dealership-level diagnostics without paying dealer prices. It offers a 7-inch touchscreen, 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, fast quad-core processor, built-in Wi-Fi for updates, user-friendly interface. 2. Full system diagnostics. Unlike basic code readers, this tool can scan every module in the vehicle: engine, transmission, ABS, airbag, BCM, TCM, TPMS, HVAC, immobilizer, and more. You can read and clear trouble codes, view freeze-frame data, and access live data. 3. 30-plus service and maintenance functions. The MP808S includes many advanced service functions that shops use every day: oil reset, EPB, electronic parking brake release, SAS, steering angle sensor reset, DPF regeneration, battery registration, ABS bleeding, throttle relearn, injector coating, TPMS functions, limited. These features save time and make maintenance easier. 4. Bi-directional control, active tests. This is one of the most powerful features. Bi-directional control allows you to send commands to the vehicle's ECUs. You can turn components on and off to test them, such as fuel pump, cooling fans, EGR valve, door locks, ABS pump, lights and actuators. This helps you diagnose issues without guessing. 5. Vehicle coverage. The MP808S supports more than 80 vehicle brands from USA, Ford, GM, Chrysler, Jeep, etc., Europe, BMW, Mercedes, Audi, VW, Volvo, Peugeot, etc., and Asia, Toyota, Honda, Nissan, Hyundai, Kia, Mazda, etc. Covers OBD2 vehicles from 1996 to 2024. Some OBD1 vehicles can be supported with adapters. 6. Performance and ease of use. Fast boot time, clean interface, easy navigation, live data graphing, report saving and printing, auto VIN detection, offline data storage. It's simple enough for beginners but powerful enough for professionals. 7. Updates and subscription. Comes with 1 year of free software updates. After that, you can still use the scanner without renewing, but you won't receive new vehicle coverage or features. Optional update cost is around $200 per year. 8. What's in the box? Autel MaxiPRO MP808S tablet, OBD2 cable, USB cable, power adapter, carrying case, quick start guide. Optional OBD1 adapters are available. 9. Pros and cons. Pros: full system diagnostics, advanced service functions, bi-directional control, wide vehicle coverage, fast and user-friendly, professional report generation. Cons: wired connection only, no Bluetooth. Update subscription cost: not as advanced as higher-end Autel models like the MS906 or Ultra. 10. Who should buy it? This tool is perfect for professional mechanics, small repair shops, mobile technicians, serious DIY users. If you need more than a basic scanner but don't want to spend thousands on dealer tools, the Autel MaxiPRO MP808S is a great middle option. 11. Price and value. The average price ranges from $750 to $900 depending on deals and region. Compared to dealer scanners that cost over $5,000, this tool provides excellent value for the features it offers. 12. Final verdict. The Autel MaxiPRO MP808S is one of the best mid-level diagnostic scanners available. It has powerful features, deep system access, bi-directional control, and professional service functions. It's reliable, fast, and easy to use. If you're looking for dealership-level diagnostics without dealership-level pricing, the MP808S is a strong choice. If you found this video helpful, please like and comment below with any questions. Subscribe to the channel for more tool reviews and diagnostic tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.